wondering what NLC stands for, it's National Learning.
Good morning. Today is campaign day. We're going to run for a position in an organization based in our school. So I woke up early and I'm gonna record it. Campaign day.
Hello, kind strangers. Let's get to know Martis Sumi.
Big back.
Ay, nag-baby.
Ako na nga.
Ay, kala ko
Big back.
We're going to get ice cream. Yay! Yay! Yay!
Nag-against the light ang puti.
We're waiting for ice cream. And it's free. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Lagi bumibili ako.
Nakatingin na ba kayo kay Ice? Ng ice cream?
Yes.
The Olympics. So, we're here at National Learning Camp. Ngayon, may request lang tayo of flavors ni Ice Cream.
Swingling.
The
mascot is so cute.
Swingling.
Attention! Lahat ng president.
We got ice cream. And pencils. So you said the N-word. Huh? I didn't say the N-word. Ha? Number 3? Paano daw mabubuhay yung mga puno sa mangrove na swamp? We're going home! Skibidi Lana! And I got the stain on my shirt. Lana! You Lana! Skibidi! Skibidi Lana! Tama na. Okay, wait. Just just make the camera wow. I just killed a man, he's my ally. Jawline. I got none. Hey, no, you got like stuff there. I'm gonna buy you a drink really quick and then you can go home. I'm sorry. Ano lang? Tawag dito, nung nag-record kami kahapon, saan kami nagpunta ni Rose. Hindi ko pa in-include yung yung nag-e-explain ako na scene. Bro, kasi diba? Sabi ko nag-search ako Baka yun mo, hindi ako gusto. Kasi lobat ako nun, tapos naglalaba kami. Kaya wala akong time na mag-open.
That was fine. Sorry. Kung dinagdag nyo lang yung mga yung videos na nagsasabi ko sa salita kayo, I feel like it would have been much more better than
Wow. Rich mama. Na, I only got 20. Ang init to, coffee cup. Wow. Nom nom nom. Where's their flash? That's because I accidentally turned on the lights. I'm gonna finish all of this kasi uuwi na. Bako. Wait, okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I feel like we finished at the same time. Yeah. Anyways, she's going home. Bye bye. Huh? Glitters. She's going home. Bye bye.